What up, it's the BLONGshow. We're gonna knock these struts out on this 2012 Chrysler 300. That's the old one right there. Or 200, my bad. That's the new one right there. So, I'm gonna run it down to you first. You take off those two big bolts. You gotta take this off. You gotta take these off, the brake hose and the sensor for the well speed sensor. Then you can take these ones off. Once you take them off, this gonna drop down. And you take those three bolts out right there. And you can pull the strut out. Don't take this middle bolt off unless you want a problem. I always tell people to buy it loaded. That means buy it with this on here already. Because you can't buy it without the spring on there. But then that means you have to compress the old spring and put it on the new one. I don't do that no more. It's too dangerous. It's a waste of time. They can just spend a couple extra dollars and get the one that's already loaded. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to this and pull these off.
Now you just took off about 25 minutes by having a liquid impact. Boy, I have to smile every time I see that thing do that. I'm telling you, man. I can see why you went on and got one of them.
I really wouldn't got it for when I'm towing the cars, because when you're towing the car, you don't want to be there no longer than you need to be there.
Talking about taking off hours worth of work. That ain't gonna drop down.
Mm-hmm.
Don't let it hit your knee.
I'm coming that far. Just a little bit. We're gonna go up top now. So for this job I used the 13, the 14, the 15, and the 21. Back down to the bottom. Knock this thing out. Just stuck on this job. one out, y'all.
Right.
So make sure you're putting the right one on the right side. You see how those match? Slide this one over. You see how that one don't? Save you from wasting your time putting the wrong one on the wrong side and then have to take it off. We're gonna slap these bolts on first. They won't screw all the way down because they got nylon inside of them so that they don't come off when you once you get them on there and ride down the street. Alright, let's get this thing in here. Since this will be a headache.
Go in a lot easier than to come out.
I'll just push down on the stabilizing pin for anybody. I mean, from the stabilizing bar for anybody wondering. The only reason I'm gonna let you see me put it back together because unlike some things, you can run into a small issue putting it back together. This one don't look like it's gonna be that way. Slide your bolts back in where you got them from. And you just pull this back and forth, up and down, and work with you. And just like that, you're done. I'm not gonna let you watch me put these in here because it's as simple as it can be. I don't know what I can tell you. And you just put them back where you got them, just like that. Put those bolts on there, and it's over. Tighten the ones up on the top, tighten these one up, and you're done. He didn't want to show y'all, so let me show you. You gotta line that up. Put the bolts back on there, tighten them up. Tighten this one up. Tighten these ones up on the top, and it's over. It's the BLONGshow. Save your money.